I'm Professor Vlerick and I'm here to answer the most searched questions about smart factory and digital supply chain. Will digital twins play an increasingly crucial role in shaping a manufacturing future? Interesting. Well, yeah, I think that's correct. A digital twin is a virtual copy of a real asset. This could be a product, a machine, a factory or a warehouse, or even a network of factories. And you can experiment in the virtual world and make changes to the design before you do it in the real world. That could make your supply chain more efficient and more flexible, and it will also reduce its ecological footprint, making the supply chain more sustainable. Will smart factory solutions be the primary driver of competitiveness in the next 5 years? My answer is twofold. In a truly smart factory, humans and machines are collaborating, sensors are collecting data that is processed by analytics and AI, planning is optimized, and as a result, inventories decrease, assets are better utilized, costs go down, energy use is reduced. In sum, a smart factory is more efficient, more reliable, and more sustainable. But it also allows us to become more effective, offering better service and new solutions to customers, generating more revenue. So it's all about doing things better and doing better things. How can companies enhance workforce for a better future? People are important. So we often think of digital technologies as a threat, replacing the human. But have you thought about how technologies enhance the way people work, making jobs safer, more rewarding, less repetitive? When introduced wisely, technology can be a tool for engaging your employees in the company of the future. Why is mastering the smart factory and digital supply chain so important today? Well, the smart factory and the smart supply chain will be a key competitive success factor for the future. The first benefit that comes to mind for many people is the cost reduction that is a result of automating processes. But there is so much more to it. The supply chain of the future is smart and sustainable. Now is time to learn how to make this happen.